Deep within our planet, incredible forces are at work. They have been for billions of years. These forces crush and heat simple carbon atoms. Sometimes something truly special happens. A diamond is born, but not just any diamond. We are talking about the rarest of them all, the blue and the pink diamonds. These are nature's most beautiful mistakes. They are jewels that capture the imagination. They hold secrets of the Earth's deep past within their glittering facets. Their journey from the dark depths to the bright light is a story of immense time and pressure, a cosmic lottery played out over eons. Where do we find these colorful treasures? They are not scattered everywhere. They are found in very specific places on Earth. Pink diamonds often come from one famous place. The Argyle mine in Western Australia was once the world's primary source. For blue diamonds, the story takes us elsewhere. The Cullinan mine in South Africa is famous for these ocean-colored gems. These locations are like treasure maps drawn by geology itself. They point us to the ancient volcanic pipes, called kimberlite pipes, that carried these diamonds to the surface millions of years ago, a violent, fast ride from the mantle to the crust. What makes a diamond blue or pink? It is not paint or dye. It is a tiny flaw, a beautiful imperfection. For blue diamonds, the element boron gets trapped inside the carbon structure. Boron atoms absorb yellow light, which makes the diamond appear a stunning blue. It is a 1 in a million chance. For pink diamonds, the science is still debated. Many believe the color comes from intense pressure. This pressure twisted the diamond's crystal lattice. This distortion changes how light travels through the stone, creating the soft, rosy hue we find so captivating. So, these diamonds are more than just pretty stones. They are geological miracles. They are messengers from a time long before us. They tell a story of chemistry and physics, of immense heat and powerful forces. Finding them is a quest. It is a search for a tiny, colored speck in a vast world of rock and soil. The rarity of their creation is matched only by the difficulty of their discovery. We must travel deep into the earth, following ancient clues, to have a chance at finding one of these glittering wonders. It is a testament to our own curiosity and our desire to hold a piece of the cosmos in our hand. The journey to find a pink or blue diamond is a massive undertaking. It begins long before any digging starts. Geologists study the land for years. They look for specific rock formations. These are the ancient volcanic pipes I mentioned, the kimberlite. They use satellites, aerial surveys, and ground-penetrating radar. Once a promising site is found, they take core samples. They drill deep into the earth and pull up long cylinders of rock. These samples are carefully analyzed for any sign of a diamond, a process that can take a very long time. After a site is confirmed, the real work begins. This is called open-pit mining. It is one of the most common methods. Imagine a giant terraced hole in the ground. It looks like a massive upside-down pyramid. Huge machines carve away layers of rock and soil step by step. This creates benches or terraces along the sides of the pit. This method allows miners to safely access the diamond-bearing ore deep below the surface. The scale of these operations is hard to comprehend. These mines can be several kilometers wide and hundreds of meters deep, a true testament to human engineering. The rock that is dug up is called kimberlite ore. But the diamonds are not just sitting there, easy to see. They are tiny crystals hidden inside tons of rock. For every ton of ore that is mined, there might only be a fraction of a carat of diamond. And the chance of that diamond being pink or blue is even smaller. So, the miners have to move mountains of earth. The ore is loaded into enormous trucks. These trucks then carry the heavy loads to a processing plant. It is a constant cycle of blasting, digging, and hauling day and night. At the processing plant, the next stage of the journey begins. Ore is crushed into smaller, more manageable pieces. This must be done carefully. You do not want to crush the precious diamonds hidden inside. The crushed ore is then mixed with water to create a slurry. This muddy mixture is then ready for the final extraction steps. Here, science and technology will take over to find the hidden gems that have been waiting in the dark for so long, ready to be revealed to the world. To move all that rock, you need very special machines. The workhorses of the mine are the haul trucks. These are not the trucks you see on the highway. These are giants. Some are as big as a 2-story house. They can carry hundreds of tons of rock in a single trip. Working alongside them are powerful hydraulic excavators and shovels. Their massive buckets can scoop up many tons of ore at once. They carefully load the haul trucks, which then begin their slow, heavy journey up the ramps of the open-pit mine to the processing plant on the surface. Once the ore arrives at the plant, the real magic of technology starts. The crushed rock and water slurry is passed through a series of machines. One of the most important is the dense media separator. Most of the rock is less dense, so it floats. The heavier minerals, including the diamonds, sink to the bottom. This process efficiently removes a huge amount of the waste rock. It is like panning for gold, but on an industrial scale, using physics to do the hard work of separating the valuable from the worthless. After the heavy minerals are collected, there is still more sorting to do. This machine uses a fascinating property of diamonds. When exposed to X-rays, diamonds fluoresce, meaning they glow. The machine shoots a stream of gravel past an X-ray beam. A sensor detects the flash of light from any glowing diamond. When it sees a glow, it triggers a quick puff of air. This jet of air knocks the single diamond out of the stream and into a collection bin. It is a fast, precise, and brilliant way to find these tiny treasures. Finally, the rough diamonds are collected. They are sent to a secure sorting house. Here, experts examine each stone by hand. They look at its size, shape, clarity, and most importantly, its color. This is the first time a human eye will judge the quality of the gem. The sorters separate the industrial diamonds from the gem-quality ones. And among the gem-quality stones, they search for the rarest of all, the faint blush of a pink diamond or the deep hue of a blue one. This is the moment of truth, where a simple piece of carbon is confirmed as one of the world's most desired objects. Why are blue and pink diamonds so valuable? The answer is simple. They are incredibly rare. Think about all the diamonds mined in a year. Only a tiny fraction, less than 1/100%, are pink. Blue diamonds are even rarer. For every million carats of rough diamonds mined, only a handful will have any hint of blue color. This extreme scarcity is the primary reason for their high price. It is the basic law of supply and demand. Many people want these beautiful stones, but the earth provides very few of them. This imbalance creates a value that can seem almost unbelievable. The value of these diamonds is astonishing. Their prices are not measured in thousands of dollars, but in millions. A single carat of a vivid pink or blue diamond can be worth over $1 million. Sometimes much more. The Oppenheimer Blue, a stunning 14.62-carat blue diamond, sold for over $57 million. The Pink Star, a flawless 59.6-carat pink diamond, fetched a record-breaking $71.2 million at auction. These are not just pieces of jewelry, they are investments. They are pieces of natural art, and their value has consistently grown over time. The journey of these diamonds does not end at the mine. From the sorting house, they are sold to master cutters. These artisans spend months studying a single rough stone. They must decide the best way to cut and polish it. Their goal is to maximize the stone's color and brilliance while losing as little of the precious weight as possible. One wrong move, one tiny mistake, could shatter the diamond or ruin its color. It is a job that requires incredible skill, patience, and nerve. The cutter's work can make or break the final value of the gem, turning a rare rock into a breathtaking masterpiece. From the Earth's fiery mantle to the jeweler's display case, the story of a blue or pink diamond is a saga. It is a journey through time, geology, and human ingenuity. These gems are symbols of rarity, beauty, and endurance. They remind us that sometimes the most valuable things are the result of a perfect, beautiful accident deep within our world. Their glittering light is a reflection of a long and difficult path, a path that transforms a simple element into a treasure that can be passed down for generations, a timeless piece of our planet's incredible history.